sickness. Sickness is the reflection of a lack of balance between what you want and who you are. Imagine a clock that is 10 minutes late, 10 minutes early, and each time you're moving the arms in order to make it that it should be on the right time. This is not going to work. You need to go and open the back of the clock and screw tightly that screw that's a little loose. The same thing with us. The way to be able to change ourselves is to go into our minds and start thinking deeply. Why? What is it that I'm trying to avoid that's causing me to be in bed this morning instead of being up and driven? What is causing me to not realize my potential? Why don't I accept myself the way I am? Once you go to the depth of your brain and start asking yourself these deep questions, then at this moment you will see how suddenly your brain, if it's trained enough, will give you great answers to be able to go in the right direction.